Hi everyone, this is Mani and welcome back to SKSecOps. Today, let's explore an essential concept in modern IT systems, which is high availability, often known as HA. Let's understand the definition of high availability. High availability is the ability of a system or application to remain functional and operational with minimal downtime, even during the event of failures such as hardware, software, or network failure. So, what exactly meaning of this is if one part of the system breaks, like a server or network, high availability keeps everything running so users don't notice any problem. Let us understand high availability architecture. On the left, you can see there are some users who are sending requests through internet. And then these requests are reached to the load balancer. Now the load balancer, which is intelligent, it will forward the request to the servers that are available in the cluster in equal proportion. So you can see there is a server A and server B. So server A will receive 50% of the request and server B will receive another 50% of the request, and these servers will serve the request. If there is any problem with server A, load balancer will not send any request to server A, and all the remaining requests will be forwarded to the only server B. So finally, the user's request is handled without any downtime, even though server A is down. So this is the core idea of high availability, where the system stays operational even during failures. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. If you really find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you.